If you're trying to save money on Bluehost, this video will show you exactly how to use a Bluehost coupon code the right way during checkout. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so you can apply your discount before you complete your purchase. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, go to the Bluehost sign-up page and begin the process as if you're buying hosting normally. Once the page loads, take a moment to choose the hosting plan that best fits your needs. Bluehost usually offers different options depending on whether you're starting a small website, a blog, or a business project, so pick the plan that makes sense for your goals. After that, choose your billing term. This is important because pricing can change depending on whether you pay monthly, yearly, or for a longer term. In many cases, longer billing terms can give you a better overall rate, especially when combined with a coupon code. Once you've selected your plan and billing term, continue to the checkout or cart page. This is where Bluehost lets you review everything before you pay. On the checkout page, take a careful look at your order details. Make sure the hosting package, billing cycle, and any extras look correct before moving forward. Now scroll through the checkout area and look for the promo code or coupon code field. This is the key section where you'll enter your Bluehost coupon code. If you already have a valid code, type it into the field exactly as provided, making sure there are no extra spaces or typing mistakes. Then click Apply. After you do that, Bluehost should recalculate your total and show the discount on your order. If the code is valid, you'll see the updated price right away, which confirms that the coupon has been accepted. If the discount does not appear, double-check the code for spelling errors, make sure it has not expired, and confirm that it applies to the plan you selected. Some promo codes only work on specific hosting packages or billing terms, so if it doesn't work the first time, you may need to test another code or adjust your plan choice. Once the discount is showing correctly, review the final total one more time so you know exactly what you're paying. At this point, you can complete your payment and finish the checkout process with the coupon applied. That's the full process for using a Bluehost coupon code during checkout. It's a simple step, but entering the code in the right place before payment can make a big difference in your final price. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides that help you save time and money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.